In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Cycle Channel Oscillator Indicator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to type, and how to get everything set up so the indicator is ready to use on your charts. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process is the same. Look toward the top of your chart for the Indicators button. This is usually near the toolbar above the price chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens the main indicator window where you can search and browse through all the built-in tools. Once that panel is open, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where we're going to look up the Cycle Channel Oscillator. Click directly into that search bar so your cursor is active there. It's important to use the search because scrolling through the full list of indicators can take a lot of time, and using the exact name ensures you find the right one quickly. Now, start typing Cycle Channel Oscillator into the search bar. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results below. Make sure the name you select matches exactly. Cycle Channel Oscillator. When you see it appear in the list of indicators, move your mouse over that result and click it once. As soon as you click, TradingView will add the indicator to your chart, usually in a separate panel underneath the main price chart. With the indicator now visible, let's adjust the settings so it works the way you prefer. On the left side of the indicators panel, or near its name, you'll see a small gear icon for settings. Click on that gear. This opens up the settings window, where you can change things like inputs, colors, and line styles. Take a moment to look through these options. If you're just getting started, you can leave most settings at their default values and only tweak simple things like colors or line thickness to make the oscillator easier to read against your chart background. Finally, if you haven't signed up for TradingView Pro yet, or you want to upgrade, use the link in my description to sign up. It's there to make the process faster and to help you get access to the same tools and layout you're seeing here. That's all you need to do to add the Cycle Channel Oscillator Indicator in TradingView Pro. Follow these steps, customize the settings to your style, and you'll be ready to start incorporating this indicator into your analysis.